Bulavinaka, Narango Makareta Matimosi, au Maramani na Mukela mai lau, au Bakatiko na Mukela Vesar. Nisam Bulavinaka, my name is Makareta Matimosi. I have been making Masi art for 32 years. And I'm from Namukela in the Lao group. I was really interested with Masi to see the old ladies, how they start off with everything. And then when I see how they beat the Masi, how they dry it, how many pieces they make in a day, and to see how they give their life and everything so for a piece of Masi to be totally finished. From then, I was really interested and eager to know everything about the Masi process. I was asked to create a Masi for Fiji Airways that captures all that is unique and positive about the airline and the Fiji experiences. I knew the symbol needed to represent all that is good for Fiji. According to what I create is that I make things that it's entirely different and not been seen in one of the Masi of Fiji. Firstly, I sketch my thoughts that has come up to my mind, and I work with the Fiji Airways to get the right meaning for the Masi. Sometimes when we do things, we just do it because it's meaningful. You have to have the meaning in only one small thing. We got Masi that come from mulberry tree. We flatten it up so that we can separate the skin from the flesh. And then we have to come through the process of beating. And the pigment, and we get all the pigments for dyeing. We have the kesa, they just take out the bark and they soak it for about a week. Then we got another one called the charcoal, which we call it in Fijian as the loa loa. Like the black, we use it to show how strong we are, and for red it comes to humble, like we are humble in everything that we do. Each motif needs a lot of thinking to capture the right meaning. All the 15 motifs that we have, they all come up to the core as a tetema. Maybe you never see them, in a whole. You have pieces of everything in there, which indicates the meaning that goes with the Fiji Airways. The big circle has 4 crosses at the 4 corners, which indicates the interconnection. Like Fiji Airways connects people to the islands. The circle inside means spiritual, that we've been taught to be good to one another. The middle portion shows people working hand in hand so that they'll have a very good Fiji in the future. The small circle shows the caring and consideration that welcomes everyone to Fiji Airways. And the innermost part of the tetewa is the diamond, which means the love that we have for Fiji. I hope this Masi symbol means a lot to our people and our visitors, so we are proud of Fiji Airways and our country. Yes, it's very special. It's a hidden treasure. Most of the time I say that I love Masi, but now I know to myself that I love my Masi, I love my Fiji.